Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And block shadow started, I believe, in X8, which would be Corel X18. And if we take it and make a block shadow and just kind of offset it just a little bit, and then go to Object and break it apart, and then grab that outer edge and then make it a different color, you can see the shadow. Well, if you don't have that, and this is actually does something pretty cool with the Bevel tool, if you go to Effects in Bevel, and I'm going to change, I've made it an embossed. I'm going to put the distance of 1/4 inch. I'm going to make the shadow color yellow and the other light control yellow. And you can do a little bit different. Now, if you look, we have like a yellow interior and a darker shadow effect on the outside. If you don't do that, if you just have a gray here, it'll look like that. So you basically have two kinds of, it's blending basically that color. So let's go gray, gray. Let's make it a little bit darker gray. Now you've got two different colors of gray. It's a pretty cool effect. And you could do anything. And then really once you have your, if you take this and go to Object, let's make sure we select it all. Go up to Object and break the bevel apart. You can take your text and make it whatever color you want. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.